Time to a cannon, make them cannonballs to the ocean, make them suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse, animal cruelty on the fucking news.
Okay, so welcome to another hot, sweaty summer day here at Kilburn Customs. In this episode, we're going to put a window bar on the drift car. So pretty much what you're going to need to do this one is, of course you're going to need your banner, going to need a squeegee. I got these from doing my old vinyl wrapping back in my vinyl wrapping days. Going to need a razor, a tape measure, and some tape, electrical tape, masking tape, anything you need just so you can get your lines properly.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you trying to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like, why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear.
Okay, so that's pretty much the position. We've done it all properly. I've lined it up, I've eyed it off and everything for a good center point. So pretty much what we're going to do now is we're just going to start peeling the back off and we're going to squeegee it out while that side is still taped on, and then we'll just go through, do it all properly and smooth it out. You can wet lay these, but because it's just a drift car, I'm not real fussed on how good or fancy it looks. Plus I can always get the bubbles out later on, and if I get any bubbles I can show you later on how to do that.
We some all-stars, we some captain, we some winners, we go so hard, never giving in to no critics. I can do it, I knew it all. I said I can do it, I knew it all. We some MVPs, we the state champs, getting scouted, I believe in me. Never really cared, no doubters. I can do it, I knew it all. I said I can do it, I knew it all. Yeah. Love my highs, but I love my lows, cause that's what keeps me chasing goals. I swear to God I'm grinding and I'm about to blow like runny nose. This destiny, not what they chose, they testing me. I'm breaking foes, I'm hot now, ain't ever froze. Can't injure me like Derrick Rose, and that's real now. Tell me how you feel now, coming for the steal now. Doing what I can for the fans, I like my shit and help us build now. We chilled out and that's real shit. Go 0 to 100 like real quick. I got more will than Will Smith, just starting out but I killed this, so let's build this. Listen while I'm telling my story. Had a couple rough years but still I'm destined for glory. Just trying to work in this moment to keep my parents from worry.
So that's it all smoothed out. I didn't get any bubbles at all, so shout out to whoever made this, because this is some top quality stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our razor blade, that, and we're just going to carefully trim around this and then get all the excess off and then smooth it all back out, and it should be done.
We some all-stars, we some captain, we some winners, we go so hard, never giving in to no critics. I can do it, I knew it all. I said I can do it, I knew it all. We some MVPs, we the state champs, getting scouted, I believe in me. Never really cared, no doubters. I can do it, I knew it all. I said I can do it, I knew it all. Yeah. Love my highs, but I love my lows, cause that's what keeps me chasing goals. I swear to God I'm grinding and I'm about to blow like runny nose. This destiny, not what they chose, they testing me. I'm breaking foes, I'm hot now, ain't ever froze. Can't injure me like Derrick Rose, and that's real now. Tell me how you feel now, coming for the steal now. Doing what I can for the fans, I like my shit and help us build now. We chilled out and that's real shit. Go 0 to 100 like real quick.
Okay, so that's how I install a front window banner. I know people are going to say like, oh, that's not the right way of doing it. This is how I do it. It's the most simplest way, and I've had it perfect every time. I've never had one complaint, as I've done many a cars for friends and customers. We could say customers, but this is how I do it. So yeah, on another note, I want to give a shout out to whoever made this sticker, because it is the most easiest one I've used, because I reckon it's that nice 3M air-free stuff. I also want to give a big shout out to GETT for getting the sticker for me and getting it made up and everything. And the biggest shout out is to the Spilt Coffee Drift Club for allowing me to put this sticker on my drift car. Guys, you guys are awesome. I love your work. Pretty much, I've seen Isaac drift a couple of times. I've been in the car with him around the track at the Spawn and the Drift events, which by the way is a real good event held by Flash Smith. So Flash, Spawn to 3, I want to be driving. Dead set. So shout out to you guys, thank you so much, and stay tuned for another episode of Kilburn Customs. Alright, great, now I've got to get this car away before it rains. Righto.